To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Disengage the sensor wires from their catch. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the wire harness.
Reinstall the sensor.
Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.